If you struggle with staying focused, the Forest app offers a simple but effective solution. Instead of forcing discipline, it gamifies productivity. Every time you want to focus, you plant a virtual tree. As long as you stay off your phone, the tree grows, but if you leave the app to scroll or check the messages, the tree withers. This simple mechanic makes staying focused almost like a game. Over time, you grow an entire forest that reflects your focus habits. The app even partners with tree planting organizations, so in some cases, your focus sessions can translate into real trees planted in the world. Wow, I absolutely love that. Forest includes timers based on the Pomodoro technique, tags to track different activities and statistics that help you measure progress. Many users find it especially useful for studying, working remotely, or managing screen time. The downside, the free version is limited, I'm not gonna lie. And the premium upgrade, while inexpensive, unlocks the full experience. Some users also say the novelty wears off over time. It's still an engaging way to stay accountable. So if you want a tool that makes focus feel rewarding instead of punishing, Forest is worth trying. It turns discipline into a habit you can actually see grow. For more awesome apps like this, let me know in the comments below. Also, subscribe for more videos. It really helps us out a lot if you give us a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.